Kajingdon John College Kamantoy kini ke college kerika assets nam ta kari bat ke cek pirujuni intang ya kini ke Shillong lani kini ke district dari kari bat ke cek pirujuni paro.
Ri-Bhoi Synod College today felicitated 18 of its first students who graduated from this college, including 2 students who have passed well in the HSSLC examination. These persons were felicitated by Lok Sabha member Vincent Pala, who was the chief guest at the felicitation program organized by the college. The program was also graced by MDC of Mauhati constituency Charles Marngar as guest of honor, Dr. Celestine Lingdo, Reverend H.L. Marsing, the president of the governing board, Principal of the college, Dr. Kamailang Nongmale, Vice Principal, Reverend Precious Tmung, office bearers of the college, teachers, and students of the college. This college was declared open by Vincent Pala in 2017. The establishment of the college was to provide education to the people belonging to economically weaker section of Ri-Bhoi area. Speaking on the occasion, Vincent said,
Tangba ting gimnei pat namar balai la influence ini kejumur dengan harga kesini kantam na ai tiro ini paro ki students belapas ya ka BA bat muncul ting belapas ya ka higher secondary ka challenge ke jongki banwan gani what you know, what you see, and how you believe in it. Balai ngam tang lagi hapapon ni day tang lagi students. Wat ki basta ko ting ngitep ke shisha. Andrai. Niklat ke ibu ni balle na mata ke shisha. Ke jeng ka be pio na kan ke college. Ba penyai da kabalang ba penyai ta ke sinod. Kali bantai ke de sweat ke jong ki ke umsep ke jong ki ke jing trishton. Kumpul orang beres punya itu kecil kecil kemana nak kapor ban sutulok, tekam deh kepasuk, nak kerpan iki student baru usok nongkong di usok patiang tam, ni haduk mentahi, haying jongi baru bisa engok usok nongkong man kesnem, saya duai, na don dari saya macam Shillong mari mai ong bang ini bener don lang haying ban ai kucing engok apa ya usok nongkong. Tapi bami nangi sok nongkong kekerteng kanan kepurom jompi kane pateng lah pateng akan ika college kepadon lagi don lagi higher secondary lani don lagi college. Na aero ke jingero ya kinong penya pada i jingai kamtam ngaliang ka Ri-Bhoi Synod kumno banera iki kon jomki kumno banera bantei kalawai jomki kon jomki students na po Ri-Bhoi. Ngai tu jingero yang jingai kikon jongi kinam sakama lada kibio admission ki college prepare hasor ni amno no kajingdon John College Kamantoy kini ke college kerika assets nam ta kari bat ke cek pirujuni intang ya kini ke Shillong lani kini ke district dari kari bat ke cek pirujuni paro naklam artetien bahi ki por panwan ki snen ki pandangwan kinwan ki students na keleng jong kari ban tulen ni